Ever felt like your schedule is a tangled web, a digital labyrinth where meetings vanish into thin air? You booked that crucial client call, that team brainstorming session, that all-important one-on-one, and now, where did they go? You're staring at your HubSpot screen, and you know those meetings are in there somewhere, but how do you actually see them? How do you get a clear, concise overview of your meeting schedule within HubSpot without diving into a confusing rabbit hole of menus and filters? If that sounds familiar, you're definitely not alone. HubSpot, while incredibly powerful, can sometimes feel a bit overwhelming, especially when it comes to managing your calendar and meetings. We all know the pain of double booking, missing crucial appointments, or simply losing track of where we're supposed to be and when. It's not just frustrating. It can impact your productivity, your client relationships, and ultimately, your bottom line. Think about it. You're a sales rep juggling multiple deals, a marketing manager coordinating campaigns, or a customer service agent handling a stream of support tickets. Every single one of these roles relies heavily on meetings. You need to schedule them, track them, and follow up on them. And you need to do it efficiently. That's where a clear and accessible view of your meetings within HubSpot becomes absolutely essential. But before we dive into the how, let's quickly touch on why HubSpot meetings are so important in the first place. It's not just about scheduling appointments. It's about centralizing your communication, connecting your meetings to your contacts and deals, and gaining valuable insights into your interactions. When you log a meeting in HubSpot, it becomes part of the contact's activity timeline. This gives you a complete history of your interactions with that person, allowing you to see what was discussed, what follow-up actions were agreed upon, and how the relationship has evolved over time. This is invaluable for sales teams, as it provides a comprehensive view of the sales cycle and helps them to personalize their approach. Similarly, meetings logged within deals offer a clear picture of the deal's progress. You can see who was involved, what was discussed, and what the next steps are. This helps to keep everyone on the same page and ensures that no important details are missed. And for marketing teams, meetings can be used to track campaign performance, gather feedback, and collaborate on new initiatives. By logging meetings within HubSpot, you can gain a deeper understanding of your target audience and refine your marketing strategies. So, how do you actually view these all-important meetings within HubSpot? Let's break it down step by step. First, let's explore the most straightforward method, viewing meetings on a contact or company record. Navigate to the contact or company you're interested in. On their record, look for the activity timeline. This is where all interactions, including meetings, are logged. Scroll through the timeline to find the meetings you're looking for. You can filter the timeline by activity type, such as meetings, to narrow down your search. Click on a specific meeting to view the details, including the date, time, attendees, and any notes you may have added. This is a great way to view meetings related to a specific person or company. But what if you want a broader overview of all your meetings, regardless of the contact or company? That's where the HubSpot calendar comes in. Accessing your calendar within HubSpot is the key to viewing your meetings in a more organized and comprehensive way. To access your calendar, navigate to the Sales tab in the main HubSpot menu. From there, select Meetings. This will take you to your personal HubSpot calendar. Here, you'll see a visual representation of your schedule, with all your meetings displayed in a familiar calendar format. You can switch between different views, such as day, week, or month, to get the perspective that best suits your needs. One of the great features of the HubSpot calendar is its ability to sync with your external calendars, such as Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar. This allows you to see all your meetings in one place, regardless of where they were scheduled. To sync your calendars, go to your HubSpot settings and look for the Integrations section. From there, you can connect your external calendar to your HubSpot account. This ensures that your HubSpot calendar is always up to date and reflects your complete schedule. Now, let's talk about filtering. The HubSpot calendar allows you to filter your meetings by various criteria, such as meeting type, attendees, or associated deals. This can be incredibly useful for finding specific meetings or analyzing your meeting patterns. To filter your meetings, look for the filter options at the top of the calendar. Select the filters you want to apply, and the calendar will update to show only the meetings that match your criteria. Another powerful way to view your meetings is through reports. HubSpot offers a variety of pre-built reports that provide insights into your meeting activity. You can also create custom reports to track specific metrics that are important to you. To access reports related to meetings, navigate to the Reports tab in the main HubSpot menu. From there, select Reports, then Report Library. Search for Meetings, or browse the available reports to find ones that meet your needs. For example, you can use reports to track the number of meetings you've scheduled, the average duration of your meetings, or the conversion rate of meetings to deals. Creating custom reports allows you to track specific metrics that are important to your team. You can create reports that show the number of meetings scheduled by each sales rep, the types of meetings that are most effective, or the impact of meetings on deal closure rates. For those who rely heavily on workflows, HubSpot workflows can play a significant role in managing and viewing meetings. You can create workflows that trigger actions based on meeting activity, such as sending follow-up emails, creating tasks, or updating deal stages. For example, you could create a workflow that automatically sends a follow-up email to attendees after a meeting. Or you could create a workflow that creates a task for a sales rep to follow up with a lead after a discovery call. Using workflows, you can automate many of the tasks associated with meetings, freeing up your time to focus on more important activities. And let's not forget the importance of the HubSpot mobile app. The mobile app allows you to view your meetings on the go, ensuring that you're always up to date on your schedule. You can access your calendar, view meeting details, and even schedule new meetings from your mobile device. This is especially useful for sales reps who are often on the road or attending client meetings. To access your meetings on the HubSpot mobile app, simply open the app and navigate to the Meetings section. Here, you'll see a list of your upcoming meetings, as well as the ability to view your calendar. Finally, remember the search bar. The universal search bar at the top of HubSpot is your friend. Simply type in keywords related to a meeting, such as the contact name, company name, or meeting topic, and HubSpot will return relevant results. This can be a quick and easy way to find specific meetings without having to navigate through multiple menus. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.